On a beautiful autumn day, we're standing here on the banks of the Duck Creek, which is the main tributary of the Parramatta River in downtown Sydney. It was back here in 1972 that I commenced my small one-man pump distributing business right on the shores of the Duck Creek. I could walk across Duck Creek back then in gumboots. It was sludge, it was grease, it was oil, it was heavy metals, it was solids. And I thought to myself, what can I do about this sad, sorry creek? It wasn't how it was created. What you see behind me today is still an industrial area. Industry hasn't suffered. They've actually improved their lot because of complying with the regulations that have been brought into governmental authority. We're committed to a wide variety of clients across a broad spectrum of the world international market for the treatment of stormwater. We don't simply produce and offer the client a product line. We're prepared to customise products for you. We're prepared to change. We want to do what you want us to do to solve your problems, not say to you, this is what we have, it must fit your problem. We see a very bright future both in Australia and internationally because of what it can bring back to the actual planets that industry has taken out of us. If we want our children and our grandchildren to survive in this lovely world, we have to be always improving the environment. So it's not only that we're trying to produce a product that solves the problem, we're actually trying to improve the culture of humanity. We're trying to improve the standard of livings. We're trying to improve the way of life of our communities. So what they're getting from us is not just a problem solver, it's actually an improvement to the society in which they live, to the environment in which they live, so that it's a win-win both ways.
So today is all about cleaning the community, basically. We like to have clean waterways. That's what our job is all about. So I think it really helps to get everybody together and to contribute and do that as a team. I love the fact that they were so excited to see how things worked. We had a few demonstrations, product demos, and just seeing how they reacted to all of that and that knowledge, the education that we were giving them. I feel like it's a very rewarding experience because I feel like I'm contributing to what we want to achieve in the future, and that is to have clean waterways and clean environments for everybody to enjoy.